Alright, so I'm going to create this video real quick to help you out if you have any questions after our professional development training. So when you go over, you need to go into edgenuity.com/login. It'll take you, as you just go to edgenuity.com, you can click over at the top where it says login, and then you're going to want to select educator. Now, for the educator login, your username is going to be your school email. And then Edgenuity21. So capital E D G E N U I T Y 21. If for some reason that's not working, try lowercase e, Edgenuity. For some reason, when they put in the passwords, some are uppercase and some are lowercase. I honestly don't know why. So if one doesn't work, try the other. If not, we can reset your password. So click login. Then I'm going to show you some really interesting things. Up at the top, if you hover over these tabs, they are going to have different things that you can utilize when you're going through this program. So you hover for students, courses, reports, communication, administration, and I don't know if you guys will have this option unless you are an administrator. And then support. This Help Center right here is going to be your best friend. I would use Help Center at any point. If you have any questions, you're struggling, I would use Help Center. So what you're going to do next is I'm just going to show you kind of where the students are at. So over here we have these managed students. You're also going to notice that there's an archive button, transferred, user groups, classes, action. What I'm going to have you do right now is notice that there's only one student right here, and that's actually because I archived all the other students. And so they should be added by the time that you are going through this. And if they're not added by the time you're going through this, you will be able to practice and we will add them. Again, unarchiving students is pretty simple. You just go to archived, you look for the student's name. So let's just look for, there you go, Matthew Vera or Matthew Clayton. You can look up different student names. So I'm just going to choose Madrigal because Juan Madrigal is already graduated, so this shouldn't impact him. We're going to go over here to click More, and then you're going to click Enable. The student's password should be Edgenuity21 as well. They might be capitalized, might be lowercase e, but they should exist. Once you've clicked Archive, go over here and you will notice that the student's name has now been added. What we're going to do next is I want you to take a little walk on over or click on Classes. And you're actually going to create your own class. So to create your own class, you click Create Class. And then by doing so, you can add the students that you're going to be responsible for. So we're going to name this one Test 2. You can add a subject if you need to, but you don't necessarily need to. I wouldn't if you're applying it blanket to every kid that you're working with. But anyways, so now that you've created a class, you can actually assign students to this class, such as like this one. It has a student already assigned to it, Maya. This class right here has all the online learners who are formerly online learners in it, but since they are all archived, they will not show up. So we're going to go to the active classes. So you're going to go from classes right here back over here to where it says active. Then check the box, and when you check the boxes, a lot of different options are going to pop up. You're going to click over here to where it says More, and you are going to, sorry, not More, it says More, right next to More, Add Classes. You're going to go over here to where it says Add Classes, and you are going to add that student to Test 2, or whatever class name you have, and you can name whatever you want within reason. So once you have added a student into the classes, you're going to want to click on their name again. Then you're going to click on where it says enroll in courses. And I do believe this will be set up for you, but if not, this is how you enroll a student in the course. You check the box, click enroll in courses, and then you can actually search for the course that they need. A handy dandy thing is that they're all over here. They're in alphabetical order. So we could just say, let's say they need history. So we can add U.S. history. Each class in here, except for English, I believe is for a 0.5 credits. So we're going to add them to U.S. history. We're going to click enroll. While that is processing, I'm going to show you another way that you can actually add students into classes. So you go up to where it says courses, manage courses, gradebook, manage enrollments. This is actually where you can see all of the students and what all of them are enrolled in. You can change their start dates, change their end dates, and we'll get to that in a second. So again, manage students is really the best bet when it comes to enrolling them in classes. You can also